5 simple habits to improve your personal finances. Managing personal finances can seem daunting, but with the right habits, it can become easier and less stressful. Here are 5 simple habits you can adopt to improve your personal finances. 1. Track your expenses. Knowing where your money is going is the first step in managing your finances. Keep track of your expenses by creating a budget or using a money management app. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more money. 2. Save regularly. Make saving a priority by setting aside a portion of your income every month. Start small if you need to and gradually increase the amount you save as you get comfortable. Consider automating your savings so that a portion of your paycheck is automatically deposited into your savings account. 3. Avoid unnecessary debt. Debt can quickly become a burden on your finances. Avoid unnecessary debt by only borrowing money for essential purchases, such as a home or education. If you do have debt, prioritize paying off high-interest debt first and consider consolidating your debt to a lower interest rate. 4. Invest wisely. Investing can help grow your wealth over time, but it's important to invest wisely. Start by learning about different types of investments and identifying the ones that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider seeking professional advice from a financial advisor to help you make informed investment decisions. 5. Review your finances regularly. Make it a habit to review your finances regularly, such as every month or quarter. This will help you stay on track with your financial goals and identify areas where you need to make adjustments. By adopting these simple habits, you can improve your personal finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, it's never too late to start taking control of your finances, and small changes can add up to big results over time.